All right, so if you want to read the context, you can. You can pause the video and read it for yourself. But essentially, we need to find we're looking at part B here. We need to find the mean of the sampling distribution um, of differences in proportions here. So we've got child and adult bags of jelly beans. Child mix has 30% red. Adult mix has 15% red. So when we find the mean of the sampling distribution, the mean of the sampling distribution of the differences of proportions looks like this. So really all we're going to do is take the individual proportions and subtract them. So the uh, proportion of child is 0.3 minus the 15% proportion in the adult will give us the mean of 15 or 0.15 or 15% for the sampling distribution.